Hey, I'm Roland with mobilegeeks.de and .com, and we're right here at CeBIT 2013, and we're right here at Fujitsu, and they've just announced a new series of Lifebook E notebooks, and these are available in 13.3, 14 and 15-inch versions, and we want to concentrate on the Lifebook E733 right here because that's the 13.3-inch version. That's a 13.3-inch display, as I said. It's got 1366 by 768 screen resolution. I don't know if they actually do full HD versions, and as you can see there, that's a vPro CPU Core i7 dual core high-end that goes up to from 2.2 gigahertz to 3.2 gigahertz, so that's a real power horse right there. Got 8 gigs of RAM. There's a 500 gig hard drive in this one. There should be SSD options available too. And what's special about this is this one, all the notebooks are really business orientated, so they're not that cheap. They start out at 12.99 euros, which is kind of expensive, but you get a lot for that. You got the high-end board in there. There's a fingerprint reader down here. We have an integrated mouse pad right here. This is a prototype from the B stage, so they are having some tiny issues. Let's call it issues. The final versions are going to be high quality. The keyboard is pretty good. It's kind of flexing on this machine, but it's actually decently for a prototype. Out here we have speakers on the front right there. There's a couple status LEDs. There's an echo mode and a special Wi-Fi switch right there. The keyboard is a German keyboard right now. Decently sized left shift key, and there's a huge right shift key down here. What else is there? There's even more status LEDs down here in the front. And let's go quickly around the device then. As you can tell from here, this business orientation, that's a smart card reader right there. That's a typical SDHC card reader, USB 3.0. That's an Ethernet port, HDMI out, VGA out, and a fan right there, and the power plug. And the special thing about the fan is actually you have this thing right here normally has a mesh in there, so you can, if there's any dust in there, you can just pull it out and make it clean again. On the bottom, you can tell it's a business device from this huge battery down here. This is a 72 watt-hour battery that's supposed to last up to 18 hours, says the marketing, but in real life it should be about maybe like 12 to 14 hours on this. The docking port down here is all the same on all three devices, so you can use the same docking stations. Right here we have an access panel for the RAM. And now let's go to the right side, because there's another special thing down here. This right here is a Flexi Bay. So there's actually an optical drive in here. That's a DVD drive right there. You can put a beamer in there, like a projector, or an additional battery, so you can get up to whatever, over 20 hours of battery life. That's USB 3 ports right there, 2 of them, microphone in, headphone out, and that's basically it. The screen has a matte finish, and yeah, that's the new Fujitsu Lifebook E733, which is the high-end version of this family.